Alright, welcome. Let me turn this down a little bit. How's it going? Welcome. Who's here? How many have we got in so far? 16, nice. Devlon, good morning, mate. Arij, how's it going? How's it going, mate? Who's here? Let me just really quickly. Matthew, Matt, how's it going, mate? How are you doing, bro? Hey, Arij, how's it going, mate? Welcome. Let me just repost this really quickly so people can get notified. Sorry if you've just seen it. I've just reposted it again. Yeah, how's it going, guys? Girls, guys, whoever's here, welcome. Yeah, drop a like, guys. Let's smash 10 likes again. Monday, new week. I'm very interested on gold coming into this session to try and take some sells, but I'll go over that in 5 minutes when this 15 closes, okay? We've got about 4 minutes to wait until this 15 closes. But yeah, I'm interested to try and take some shorts. I don't know about anybody else, but I'm not looking for longs at all just yet. You know, the H4 should come down and take some more lows before continuing higher. But I will get into that in a minute. Let's see who's here. Chris, welcome. Naz, welcome. Yol, welcome, guys, welcome. Cheers to the likes too. Yeah, good. A nice little push to the downside. How is everyone? How's everyone's morning been? It's currently, what time are we on here? We're currently at we're at 7:40 p.m. here. But for you, it's 12:40, depending on where you are in the world. But for me, it's 20 to 8. For real, no longs today. Arij, like I say, I was looking for longs and I was very open for longs back above 26.90. But, you know, as we always say, we're open to both sides. We've got liquidity at both sides always. So we're open to both sides 90% of the time. And once we got back below 26.78, yeah, there was sells for me. I did take a trade to the downside, a sell. I did get taken out hot, mostly break even, but I have taken a sell today. First position, one little win. But if I left it open, it would be like 150 ticks up. But if buts and maybes, we don't do that in trading. If buts and maybes is going to get you absolutely nowhere, let me tell you that. Dean, welcome. Welcome, Dean, bro. Okay, yeah, I'll get started. What time are we on? We're on 42, 43. Yeah, I'll start in a second, guys. See how many more want to join. Like I say, there's 15 right now. Dean's back in the lives. Welcome, mate. But I'm very interested to try and take some sells today. Let me just check. Oh, I need to post. Be right. Forgot. But yeah, we'll get cracking in a sec, guys. I read, yes, I had a swing trade pushing to 27.20, but structure broke 80% through my trade. Fair enough, Arij. What strategy concepts do you trade, Arij? How do you trade, bro? Right, I'm gonna break this down because this next 15 could tell us a lot. We could be entering a position very shortly within the next 15 minutes. So, like I say, stay vigilant, and we could be stay ready, and we could be taking a position soon. So for me, as I already mentioned, I have already taken a short position about 40 minutes ago with the community, and I took. And I know some of the community members held it longer, and nice work if you did. I personally didn't. One sec, let me get that out of the way. But like I say, gold did start breaking lower, and I mentioned in the community, if we can start breaking below this level, and it was the level that I've had all day, 26.78, you're going to get a big sell-off on gold. And look what happened. Literally the candle after the closure, we absolutely sold off. And I had a short position on gold here, literally a little bit lower, with my stops on the highs, looking for the push down. And I actually did take the short down with the community. Some members held it a lot longer. I personally took partials and got hit break even on this candle before it flew to the downside. And it is what it is. I'm not going to cry about it. I've journaled it. It is what it is. You know, I still took profit. You know, I took profit at around 20 ticks before hitting me break even and then continuing down. So like I say, move on to the next one. Yeah, it pushed a further 120 ticks. Am I bothered? No. Have I traded to plan? 100%. So we move on to the next one. But like I say, look at what gold's doing currently. Gold's currently still under this level here. Look, gold's still under 26.78. So what are we going to do whilst we're at under 26.78, this big level? I'm personally going to continue to look for sells down. We've still got a lot of room down into these lows. And look what these lows have created now. We've actually created another double bottom here. So you've got lows here to the left. But look what you've also created. You've created a double bottom here, which is absolutely perfect for targets for me. So if gold can confirm below this level, I'm going to be looking for that sell-off down into these lows. And from where we are now into them lows, you've got like 85 ticks, which is absolutely perfect. So if I can get some confirmation, I'm going to be looking to sell down gold, okay? Hey, how's it going, Sean, mate? Order blocks, fair value gaps, liquidity sweeps mainly. Yeah, Reg, nice. I personally don't trade any of them. But if they work for you, Reg, nice work, bro. I personally don't think they work for me, but if they work for you, nice one. But yeah, any sort of confirmation down. Sean's here. Welcome, Sean. Welcome to the community too, mate. Smashing it, ready to smash it. Hi, Am's here. How are you doing, Am? How's everyone's weekend been? What's everyone been up to? Has everyone had a good weekend, I hope? But yeah, everything's super bearish still for now. I'd like the 15 to confirm and then sell off down into these lows in an ideal world. But yeah, any sort of confirmation, bang, down into them lows. You got like 100 ticks there. If I can get that 100 tick play, perfect. Okay, good stuff, nice one. Martin, yo, Joe, let's go. Martin, let's go, bro. Let's try and catch these shorts down. And for anybody interested in, anybody asking if I'm interested in longs, no, not really. If something, like I say, always keep yourself open to both sides. But for me, I won't be looking to long until we get back above at least here, at least this level. So yeah, it's all sells for me. Or until we create a new range. For example, if price does want to pull back, create a range like so, I'd have buys back above here. But that's probably not going to form within our session. So it could form today. But is it going to form within the session? Probably not. But we'll see. Like I say, we'll see what price action gets formed. Matthew working all weekend, then had to put up some IKEA wardrobes. Lol, nice, Matt. Great weekend. Good stuff, mate. Aren't IKEA wardrobes like impossible to put up? Like the instructions and stuff, or is it the opposite? Are they really easy? It's either one or the other. Like I think they're really hard from what I heard. Like the instructions and stuff, but I might be totally wrong. How did you find them, Matt? Let us know. Cheers for likes, guys. Nice one. I know I still watch you to get the outside perspective, because overall understanding small bits help your strategy, like resistance zones are important. Everything really. Yeah, I read. That's it, mate. And the thing with the way I trade is that, you know, I've been trading for like 7 years now. Keeping it as simple as possible is super important to me. You know, I used to, obviously, like every trader who starts, they think that they need to use every indicator. every tool on TradingView to be a good trader. No, it's simply not the case. I've got like 3 lines on my charts at any one time. So like now, look, I've got 3 lines on my chart. I know exactly what I need to see. I know exactly where I need price to go. And my mind is not stressed out with like 50 different things. So yeah. Awful to put up, the instructions are useless. Yeah, I thought so. I thought I heard that before. It is what it is, isn't it? Yeah, it is what it is, mate. How long did it take you, bro? Did it take you a long time? Targeting 2664. Yeah, for me, 2664 is a beautiful target. It's actually a double bottom now. Yo, yeah, you're correct there, yo, mate. You've got a double bottom here at 2664. For me, they're targets for sells today. And then I'm going to be looking to target 2662. Let me just update community members who aren't in the YouTube live. 1 second. One sec, guys. Right, good. That's up. Afternoon, James. How's it going, mate? How's it going, bro? If you use their tools, it takes forever. I've actually never put up any IKEA furniture. Yeah, like I say, I've never actually put any up, but I've heard everybody say it's impossible with the instructions, etc. 3 and a bit hours. Wow. Yeah, that's crazy. Wow. For real, I don't know how people use so much tools to the point that they can't even see the candle. Yeah, exactly. Seriously, when you start, literally take a step back, keep it simple, and your trading and strike rate will start to improve. Especially if you stay consistent with it. Yeah. So yes, for the ones who've just joined, like I said, we've got 20 in now. We've got 20 in the live, great stuff. So for those who've just joined, who's interested in what I'm looking for coming into the US session right now, is I'm looking for sells into this liquidity below. I think gold within this session, the next 1 to 2 hours can sell off into these lows. So from where we are now, if we can catch some sells down, I'm going to be looking for sells. You've got like 100 ticks there. So I'm personally looking for them sells down into them lows for now. How do I catch it? I'm just going to look for some confirmation down, okay? So yeah, any sort of confirmation, bearish price action around here, sells into them lows would be nice. And yeah, let's see if we can catch it in this session. Could happen now, could happen in 20 minutes, could happen in 1 hour. We'll sit here and we'll try and catch it, okay? Major breakout of the trend line across the bottom going up. Yeah, NFP actually broke it. Like I say, depending on where you've got your trend line, if you've got your trend line here, we've just broke it now. But NFP actually, and I mentioned this in the market update this morning for the members, I said, look what NFP did. NFP liquidated. Let me just delete these lines for now. I'll put them back on in a minute. But NFP and this one, NFP actually took the trend line, closed back above and continued higher, which is liquidity grab, taking out retailers to continue higher. But again, the same pattern's starting to happen. We're starting to liquidate this new trend line here too. So if you look on the hourly and zoom out, you've actually got some more trend line liquidity, some new trend line liquidity from Friday. Any traders who are long at this trend line touch, where they're going to have the stops on these lows here. So, like I say, we've still got some range down into there, like 90 to 100 ticks. So I'm going to try and take that 90 to 100 tick trade down into them lows. And to do that, just some sort of confirmation to take us down. Okay? But perfect, like triple bottom almost now. If anyone's got any questions, feel free to drop a question in the comments too. Let me hear you. But yeah, good spot there, Ron, mate. Good spot, bro. I'm seeing the same. 4 hourly is bearish. Like I say, if this 4 hour, even seriously, even if we wait for this next 4 hour to close, look what the 4 hour's done. The 4 hour could give an entry look. You've taken liquidity here. The next 4 hour close below structure. We could take the next 4 hour and wick fill these lows. So even if we don't get an entry up until another hour, we can just take the 4 hour trade too. You know, the stop loss might be 20 to 30 ticks at half risk. But that downside is great. You know, the downside push from if we close here, for example, you've got like 100 ticks. Which 100 ticks is absolutely perfect. But we'll see. We'll see. Too many, lol. Wow. Oh, you're on about furniture. You're on about the IKEA thing. But yeah, let's see what if gold wants to give us something today. I'd be happy to just to, you know, take that 30-40 ticks and get out for the session. Give me a bit of like I said, I never revenge trade at all, but just give me that. You know, he got the little bugger got me at break even before. Would have been a decent 100 ticks short as well. Look at that, got me at break even and then fell 130 ticks. It owes me. It owes me. But yeah, sell-offs down would be nice. I am on a little bit early. I normally jump on around now. So I have come on like 20 minutes early, but it don't matter. Oh, too many questions. Yeah, Sean. Like I say, you've just joined the community today. So best thing to do is I'll be hosting 4 to 5 member Zoom calls throughout the week this week. So join them. Obviously, you can ask questions here too, and you've got the course to start with. So you know, watch the first 1 to 2 course videos. Understand the basic retail patterns that we don't use. We utilize the basic retail patterns and trade into and away from it. So start to understand them a little bit. It's going to take you a couple of months to get the hang of it. Okay. Austin, welcome, bro. How are you, mate? How are you, Austin? So yeah, sell-offs down would be very clean. Guys, who likes the little vlog as well? I'm creating a new video for this week, hopefully, with a bit more information in it too. You know, it'd be a longer video. So yeah, I'm working on that as well. But it's been a good. Monday's been good today. It's been good. We've stayed patient. Community members stayed patient. I love it when I see, like I say, I love it when I see them staying patient within this mess here. Within this mess, none of them was looking to trade. None of them was saying, oh, we're looking for shorts, longs, whatever. They understood that it's ranging. And they understood that we don't trade this range. We trade this here. And look at that. Half of them caught this. You know, so many members. And it's so good to see taking the same position down. Because they understand that this isn't going to get you wins. And this will get you very small wins, big losses, and many break-evens with this price action. But this price action here that we traded today will get you the wins. Or more likely to, should I say. Let's have a look. Yol, vlog goes hard, Joe. Keep them coming. Yeah, well done, Yol. Thanks. Wes, I like it. Sound, mate. Appreciate it, mate. Nice one. Doing alright. TikTok is probably going to be banned in the US soon. So YouTube it is. Haha. And that's the thing, Austin. Or to everybody. TikTok is being banned in the US. As far as I'm aware, it's only the US. But whatever the US do, the UK follow. Whether it's 6 months, 4 months, you know. And it was the same with FX prop. It was the same with FX prop firms, and it was the same with crypto. The US put in legislation for crypto and for prop firms, and then like 4 to 5 months later, what happened, the UK did too. Like, you can hardly create a new crypto account if you're from the UK now on like 80% of them. There's like one or two that you can actually create an account on in the UK. But that's all because, you know, the US started and the UK followed. So, you know, with TikTok now, with it being banned in the US on is it the 19th or the 21st? Like I say, I'm from the UK, so it's not banned for me as far as I'm aware. But do I think it will get banned in the UK this year? Yeah, I do. Because unless like Trump stops it from being banned, but if he doesn't, then the UK just follow the US anyway. So whatever the US does, the UK are like 6 months behind them. But yeah, like I say, YouTube, for me, I've always been on YouTube. Like, I've been on YouTube as long as I've been on TikTok. TikTok, to be honest with you, TikTok for live streaming just isn't it. There's many fake viewers. There's many people trying to just get you banned all the time for nothing. Yeah, TikTok's quite toxic, to be honest. YouTube's good environment, good for trading. Talk about anything. Yeah, it's good. Do you go live every day, Yusuf? Yes, I do, mate. I go live every day, guys. If you're not in the free Telegram, let me put the free Telegram in the comments, because the free Telegram I upload the schedule, so you can all if you want to, you can all join each stream, work your day around it. Like I say, if you're working and you're busy, you can't. But yeah, let me just link the free Telegram in. Anybody who wants to join the free Telegram who's here, who's not in, I've just linked it in the chat, in the YouTube chat now. Keep your eyes peeled for the next platform and get on it early. To be honest with you, I'll tell you what's going to get popping. It's going to be Instagram Reels. Like I say, I know Instagram Reels are already popping, but a lot of creators have already transferred or already transitioning onto TikTok Reels as it is. So it's going to be TikTok. I even think Twitter might start with lives. Obviously, Twitter do lives now. Twitter will be big too. X, you know, Elon Musk's platform. I think X, like I say, you've got Kick. You know, I think Instagram. I think TikTok was always going to get banned at some point, to be honest with you. Because if the US can't own it, they don't want it. Simple as that. I don't think Trump was hopeful about stopping it. Don't think he can do it. Yeah, that's the thing. When I know there was a question about it, and he weren't even too bothered. And he used it so much in his campaign. Like, that basically won it for him, did TikTok. Especially with like all the TikTokers as well, who were backing him. It'd be a bit silly if he didn't. But to be honest, I hope he does. TikTok's good, but there's just some stupid rules on TikTok. Yeah, like I said, there is Twitch and Kick. There is Twitch and Kick streamers now, but to me, YouTube's just so clean. Everyone can access YouTube. You know, the quality's good. You can upload videos. People can comment, subscribe. Seriously, YouTube's way better than any platform for posting videos and going live. Personally, I think. I like your streams. I don't get to join them live often, but I do watch them. I like your simplicity. Nice one, Austin, bro. Appreciate it, man. Yeah, appreciate it, bro. Like I say, guys, if you haven't already, go and check out my latest video on YouTube. I uploaded it like 2 or 3 days ago. Go and check it out. I do run through a trade breakdown we caught on live. And like I say, I do a little vlog at the start. Nothing crazy, it's like a minute long vlog and then like 4-minute trade breakdown. Twitch trade streams, lol. Yeah, I'm just gonna stick to YouTube, Instagram. I'll stick to posting on TikTok. If I get banned, if it bans in the UK, which I think it will, I'll just come off it. It doesn't really bother me. But yeah, guys, still, I'm looking for these shorts downs. Keep your eyes peeled. We could be taking positions very shortly, okay? We could be taking positions shortly. Realistically, I'd like to keep below this level. Yeah, I'd like to keep below this level. I think this is why Meta is rebranding with admitting they are censored with now working with Meta. Yeah, that'd be good. I think they are. Yeah, that'd be good. Yeah, to be honest with you, Instagram. I do Instagram now for my page, for trading page. I have a little Instagram page there, but I wish Instagram as well. I wish Instagram brought out, like, I know they do, like, I know you can do Instagram lives, but I wish they did like a streaming thing too. That'd be good. Yeah, for sure. Like I said, it'd be good if they did like a live streaming thing on Meta. That'd be good. Like, I know you can on Facebook too, but Facebook's dead too. Facebook is dead. For me anyway. I never use Facebook. Joe, there is so much noise when it comes to trading. So many strategies, trading groups, etc. I like keeping trading simple. Yeah, me too. That's what I'm about too, Austin, mate. So many, and like I say, if you only understand, like I say, when you join trading, if you join trading groups before you've come to me, and using all these indicators and all these fancy names for setups, like, that's what's like normal to you with your trading. You don't really understand how simple you can make trading, and that's a lot of the feedback I get with my community members. They come from these order blocks, ICT, these massive indicators, 3 or 4 indicators on the charts, 7 or 8 drawings on the charts, but it's not their fault. That's what you're new to, and that's what you was taught at the start. That's what's normal to you. But when they come to me and they start learning, all you need is 3 or 4 lines on your charts, breakouts, liquidity, volume. When you keep it simple, like, I didn't know trading could be this simple, and that's why I'm here to show you that it can be. You don't need all these fancy names. You don't need, like, all these fancy indicators. It's just not needed. But like I say, do what works for you. For me, simple works, like breakouts, trading into and away from liquidity, volume. That works very, very well for me, and it works for a lot of people because I wouldn't say it's simple. Like, if you've been trading like 2-3 months, it's not simple. You need to learn everything. You need to work hard to understand all the concepts. But you need to work hard to learn all the concepts, yeah. But if you've been trading for like 3 or 4 years, it's so super fresh for you. It's so much better. What's your opinions on fair value gaps and AI bots? Fair value gaps. Yeah, seriously, guys, all ICT concepts are, like I said, I'm not going to get too much into it, but all ICT concepts is levels of support and resistance. You can call it what you want with all these fancy names, but I don't care what you say. It's literally all support and resistance. Like, for example, if you've got a fair value gap here, yeah, you've got a fair value gap here, but look, you've also got a level of resistance. Look, support. Resistance, support. Now acting as resistance to continue down. You don't need a fancy word or a name for it. It's literally just a level of prior support and resistance, and that's why it's continuing down. But seriously, do what works for you. I have no hate on any. I have no hate on any strategies. Do what works for you. But AI bots, never use them, mate. I can't really. Like I say, I can't really give a thought on it because I've never used an AI bot. Could they work? Yeah. Am I going to use it in the near future? No, because I like to trade. I think the problem with bots is, to a certain extent, like, you need discretion in trading. Like for example, AI bots don't know if it's, well, I don't know as much, as far as I'm aware, AI bots don't know. Is it like, do they know? Obviously, they'll understand low volume and stuff, but I don't know. I think the discretion in trading is what makes a profitable trader too, and without that, them AI bots don't really have much discretion. Mm-mm-mm. Let me get through. Oh, Fabio, welcome, bro. How's it going, Fabio, mate? Fabio's back. Welcome back, G. Did you try copy trading once? The only copy trading I've done is copying accounts. For example, if I had an FX account as my personal account, I copy traded onto prop firms, but that's not copy trading from, as you would see it in other aspects like signals. It's not copy trading like that, or copy trading from other traders. No way. I only ever trade myself. The only copy trading I do is copy from other accounts, from account to account. But yeah, I copy trade now. I have multiple accounts linked, and if I take one trade on one, it'll copy it onto the other accounts that I trade. There isn't an AI bot that can trade well. No way, there isn't, because they haven't got the discretion. If there was, everyone in the trading world would know about it 100%. Definitely, mate. And that's the thing, like, trading bots don't have the discretion, but they also don't have like the execution where you should be entering, where like they know to a certain extent where you can be exiting, but they don't have the feeling as well. They just execute, enter, close. Like there's nothing to it. You're right. Yeah. Do you execute your orders on TopStep X? I'm thinking about doing a combine, but I like TradingView. Yeah, I execute on TopStep X. Yes, I do. TopStep X, very clean. Austin, very, very clean. So yeah, TopStep X is very, very clean. I like it personally. I'm gonna see how this 15 closes. Yeah, I like this 15 closure. I need to get my charger for my phone too. Bear with me. We've got 3 minutes until this 15 closes. I could be taking shorts. Let me find my charger for my phone and plug it in. There we go. Yeah, cheers for the likes too. Cheers for the likes. Oh, do you mean copy trading? Yeah, I understand. I understand what you mean by copy trading now. So yeah, you can, with some brokers, you can let people copy you. Yeah, I understand what you mean, Fabio. Yeah, I personally haven't tried that to people to copy off me, no way, but in the future maybe. Yeah, I'm waiting for this candle closure now. If this candle closes, I'm going to be looking for sells. If this candle closes bearish, I'm going to be looking for sells. You've taken liquidity and you've had a bearish closure. I need 2 minutes though. Wait for this candle to close, then we've got 45 minutes to take these lows, which is fine. Let me just load up my execution terminal. Back in 30 seconds. Oh, gold. Alright, we're back. I needed to get my other charger, sorry. Yeah, if this 15 closes bearish, I'll look for a top wick and take it short on the next. See how this closes here. But yeah, that's the plan, Austin. I'm waiting for this candle to close. If this candle closes bearish, like say down here, then into these lows I've got 45 ticks, which is absolutely fine. In and out, 45 ticks. That would be perfect. But if this 15 doesn't, I'll just wait for the next 15. This 5's looking a bit dodgy too. Look at the wicks to the downside. Wicks, wicks, wicks. I'll need this to close bearish. Because if it doesn't close bearish, you're running the risk of this continuing higher and stopping you out. Let me have a look at this top wick forms. If this top wick form's decent, I'll just take the short. Yeah, I'm looking to see if I can execute this short here. You've got a 10 tick top wick there. You know, down in some lows, you've got 60 ticks, which is decent. I'm going to see how big this top wick is. The only thing that's annoying me is that 5 minute. Yeah, if we can take the 5 minute high, I'll probably just take it short. Guys, is anybody else's top step not letting them put a position on, or is it just me? Anybody on top step now, can they put a position on or set an order? I'm not putting any orders in. Don't worry, I'm not putting any orders in. I'm just on the top step terminal now, and it's not letting me put an order on for some reason. I was going to set a sell stop here. I haven't put one in yet, as I can't. Let me know. Is it just me, or... Because if this actually drives down in the next 13 minutes, then it should continue and take the... Mine is okay, really. Let me close my screen, reset it up. One sec. Maybe refresh. Yeah, I'm just going to refresh now. I'm actually going to have a sell stop on the low if we re-break this 15. If we re-break this 15 low, I'm having sells into these lows. It's valid until we take the prayer candle high, okay? Ah, right, I've got it. I've sorted it. I've sorted it. Right, I've just put this order in on the low of the current candle now. Yeah, I've just put it in on the low of the current candle. I'm not in this yet. Like I say, I would have probably been taken in if it did flip. Because it did flip, but because I've just refreshed it and now it's letting me enter. So I have got a sell stop on the break of this low. So yeah, let's see. Let's see. Hourly. Yeah, I'm looking for this to flip. If it flips me in, I'll be in this. So yeah, I've got a sell stop in at these laws here. I've got a sell stop in these laws. I probably would have been in this position if it would have let me execute, but it didn't. It didn't let me execute for some reason until I refreshed my top step. I refreshed it and now it's letting me. So I'm seeing if this can flip down. We took liquidity, closed bearish. I'm seeing if this next 15 can flip down. As soon as it puts me in, I'll let you know. I'll be back in 30 seconds. I'm just going to get some water. Back in 2 minutes. Okay. Now for like 3 years almost. Look at gold here. I've still got a sell stop in. I'm quite lucky to say that my account wouldn't refresh. Yeah, I'm personally still not in this yet. But we have still got some, we have got liquidity. Let me just check the community really quickly now what's happening there. Yeah, currently within this range. Let me delete this. Yeah, I'm going to delete this order now. We've got 7 minutes. It could flip down. Yeah, it could flip down. If it starts to reject a little bit, I'll put it back in. I still think it could flip down. Gold could flip down here. You know, you've got clear liquidity below. So I will put it back in a minute. Like I say, it'll let me execute now anyway. So I will put it back in a second. We have taken liquidity, push below. What's this doing here? Put that there. There. $15. Is it gonna flip down? There's so much clear liquidity down here to take. You know, look at that. So many lows here. I would expect this 15 to flip and continue lower in the next 5 minutes, but we'll see. I am putting an order back in. I am putting an order, a short order back in on this low here. Stops will be on the highs, okay? And obviously, as soon as we start passing through these lows here, I'll be taking profits and going break even. But we'll see. This is a 15 entry for me. I am not in this. I've got a sell stop in on this, guys. We are about to get executed as well. If this flips, then I'll be in. I'm using half risk as well. Half risk because it's like a 38 tick stop. So I'm only risking 14 ticks on this. Okay. Yeah, I'm not in this position just yet. Let me just take that off. When it does flip, I will put it in. Is the stream better for everyone now? Not lagging? Let me know. But yeah, the overall idea for me is try and take these shorts down into here. Could happen now. We could flip down now. If we do flip down now, you know, you've got like 50 ticks there. Is he going to take us in or not? Yeah, nice. Good stuff, y'all. Thank you, mate. Cheers for letting me know too. Should be fine now. It normally does happen maybe like once or twice per stream. I'll tell you when I'm in this. It hasn't actually taken me in on futures yet. Yeah, I'm not in on futures yet, guys. It's like 20 ticks away. What's the 30 saying? Are we going to get that flip down? When the futures executes me in, I will let you know. Right now, I am not in this position. It's like 10 ticks away. We'll see. Alright. Gold. Are you going to take me in this, you little bugger? Floating around like 5 to 10 ticks away and... Yeah, we've got like a minute and a half. Is it going to push down? I don't think it's going to flip in time, to be honest with you. Get taken in, like I say, if you did get taken in, you're around break even, so... Trail. Reduce your risk. But did anybody take it? I personally got away with it. You're basically at break even now anyway. It is kind of flipping down too. Yeah, it's probably going to come and smash these laws anyway. How many ticks is it into them laws on the 15? The next 15 is probably going to swipe down. Got like 30 ticks. Tagged me in, hit stop loss, did it? What's the hourly saying? Yeah, there's no entry for me just yet, guys. Just waiting. Right, I'm back. Yeah, I just altered my connection really quickly. Sorry about that. Yeah, there's still no entry for me yet, guys. Still waiting on gold here. There'll be other positions. Just stay vigilant. It did it, guys. Seriously, to be honest with you, I probably would have been taken at stop loss 2. Like I mentioned before, I couldn't execute the position because I needed to refresh my top step. I tried getting in at the same point as everybody else. I just couldn't get in. Is that connection better for everybody? Let me just check on my phone. Yeah, it should be okay now. It should be okay. Yeah, I couldn't get in on the entry that I wanted to. I wanted to get in like here, but I had it on the law of the I had it on this law because if it did, like I say, if you was in, you could have got break even a couple of times there. I probably would have got hit stop loss 2. I'm lucky I didn't execute on the first law. Matthew, no mate, I've got rid of the sell stop. Yeah, it didn't flip, so I got out. Like I say, I cancelled the order because the sell stop's not valid. We didn't flip in time. Not worth it, mate. I'm still looking for shorts though. Let me just refresh these charts. I want to just make everyone aware of what I'm looking for. Look at that, it's flipping down. It's gonna hit these laws. I bet you it's gonna hit these laws, and it's just gonna not be clean for any sort of shorts. But I'm looking for shorts down into these laws. If you are holding, like I say, if you are holding shorts, these are great targets for me today. These laws. These laws are great targets. Is anybody holding shorts? Anybody holding shorts still? Is anybody holding shorts still? Look at that, flying down now, obviously. Just didn't flip. Just didn't flip for us. It's annoying. I'm in still on combine. Nice one, Callum. Yeah, like I say, if I was holding a combine, I'd probably still hold and just sell into these laws because, you know, you got 50 ticks there. But yeah, it's annoying because I wanted that flip down. And I'm out break even. Not break even, I'm out without even getting in an entry. I wanted that flip. These laws here. You've got a decent 40 ticks there. Um, Yo, I'm back. Sorry about that. Yeah, guys, I had to switch connections really quickly. Sorry about that. Yeah, but I'm back now. I do apologize. I do apologize. Callum, nice work, bro. Nice work, mate. I'm still looking for shorts, guys. I am. I'm still looking for shorts down. Any sort of 5-minute confirmation, I'll take it. Even now, look at what gold's done. It's it's creating more lows near the liquidity. So these to get taken too. So the thing with gold is a lot of volume as well. So any sort of push down, like even into these lows, you've got 25 ticks. It's like. Look at that. Now it's pushing. Look, I knew it would push. Look at that. Bang. 40 ticks. Didn't flip down for me, unfortunately. Guys, is the connection alright for everybody? Let me know. Is everyone's connection okay? Just let me know. Put it in the comments if it's all good. I apologise for lagging out for 30 seconds to a minute there. I had to switch over connections because it was lagging. So if it did like lag for a second, it's on my end. I had to switch over from one of my Wi-Fi routers to the other. Yeah, all good. Nice one. Cheers, Wes. Thanks, mate. Some lost, some won. Chris, nice one. Connection all good. Chris, cheers, bro. Thank you. Yeah, for me, I wanted sells. I wanted sells from here, but this candle that closed green, bullish here, it didn't flip down for me. That was like a 60 tick push. I really wanted that. And it would have been clean. Look at it now. It's pushed down like 40 ticks since. Look at that. It's pushed 40 ticks since that. So, we'll see. Is gold going to smash these lows without us? I hope not. If it gives us a little bit of 5-minute confirmation, I'm going to stay on the 5 now because we are quite close to that liquidity. We'll stay on this 5. We'll keep a level in here too that you want to stay below. Just for now. Just for now. You can effectively take that short too. You can effectively take that. But there's not really a stop loss for you there. If you've got any questions too, let me know. Any questions? Feel free to drop it in the comments. Yeah, it's flying down. Good work, Cal, though. Catching 50 ticks down into that liquidity. Nice. That's it, bro. That's it. Goldie, just lack of entries for us. It gave me an entry here. It took me at break even. Look at that, 130 ticks since. Woulda, coulda. If buts and maybes though, it's all in hindsight. Anything could have happened here. You took these lows, price could have reversed up. There's no way. If we know where we need to manage, that's where we need to manage. Simple as that. But yeah, any questions, feel free to drop a question in the comments, guys. Feel free to drop a question in the comments. How's everyone's day been today too? What tool am I using to measure the risk? It's just this here, data price range measurer. Go to the fourth one down, price range measurer. That's what I use. Guys, anybody who wants to join the Discord community, I've just linked the Discord community access link. You can join through that link, sign up, and yeah, get the invite code. Smashed it. Yeah, nice, Wes. It's gonna crush this law now. It's annoying, but it is what it is. And that's the difference now. The difference between me. Seriously, guys, this will be the difference between you being profitable. I'm looking at this move in front of me. I'm seeing that it's pushed down 150 ticks. And yeah, I've had an entry. And I've had 2 or 3 chances to enter the market. You know, one time I entered, I got profit and then the rest break even. And the other time, it just didn't flip and, you know, it didn't tick the plan. It didn't tick everything that I needed. So I didn't enter. And there's 2 types of people in this situation. There's me. Yeah, I feel the emotion. I still feel that, yeah, we could have hit 150 ticks here to the downside. And I feel that. But am I going to act on this emotion? No. Am I going to start taking trades not to plan? Not at all. I'm gonna trade the same way as I normally do. You're probably gonna see this 15 flip down now. This 15 is gonna flip down into these laws. I'm suggesting. Yeah, that's the thing. Wes, that's the difference. Yeah, Wes has just said that's the difference. He wants to be like that. And that will come when you force yourself to be like that way. You know, you need to try and teach yourself. And yeah, this 15 is going to flip down on new. Look at that. Bang. You know, you've got some decent stops there. 8 tick stops. And like I say, even now, I'm controlling myself. I'm not acting on the emotions that 50%, well, 95% of traders will be now. They would have seen this move to the downside. They would have gone, oh, it stopped me at break even. Oh, I haven't made enough profit for the day. And they'll be acting on these emotions. And there's a difference between acting and sitting on the side. And for me, I don't act on my emotions. I wait for the next trade to come because I know there's going to be another trade. I know there's going to be another 8 to 10 trades from Tuesday to Friday. There might even be another trade today. You know, if we start closing back above some levels, there might be some longs. If we continue to fly to the downside, there might be more shorts. You know, we've still got liquidity all the way down here to take, look. So could we still sell off into there? Yeah. But I'm not going to start randomly selling now. Yeah, we've got clear liquidity to the downside to take. But I'm not just going to start randomly putting short trades in or randomly start entering shorts or longs to make up for potentially lost trades. And it's just the difference between being profitable and you know, that's the difference with profitability too. Like, how long is it going to take you? Do you act on your emotions a lot? Well, yeah, being there last week to not react on emotions, 100%. Wes, that's it, mate. Yep, been there last week, kept taking losses and didn't stop, took a huge drawdown. That's it, Austin, seriously. And that's the difference. And when people say, oh, when does it click to becoming consistently profitable? When you stop acting on your emotions. And that's the difference between me now, and I'm saying it again so you understand it. That's the difference between me, what I'm going to do now, and 90% of the other traders who have missed positions. You know, 90% of traders who miss positions will just act on that emotion and continue to take losses. I'm going to sit out and wait for the new position to present itself. Because you need to ask yourself, and this is what I used to do to, you know, understand it. Yeah, I've missed out on a potential short here. It took me at break even. Like I said, I did take partials. I took like $200-300 in total. I took like $100 off across 3 accounts. So I took like $300 in total. And yeah, it could have hit another 140 ticks. But this could have also, if I didn't manage, this could have also continued higher and, you know, blew my account if I didn't have a stop loss. You need to understand that. You know, you're only seeing it for what it is, and we're seeing it for what it is. It's pushed down another 140 ticks. But a lot of the time, we manage, we get out at break even, and it full on reverses. So, yeah, don't just look at it for what it is and what it's done. It really could have gone the opposite way. Self-discipline, 100% Austin. Definitely, mate, definitely. It's horrible, hey? Just got to wait for the clean setup and that's it. That's it. Just understand there's another position coming, Wes. There's always another position. Yeah, if it's not clean, don't enter. Yol, firstly, congratulations on passing another funded account. Good work. And yeah, secondly, you're correct. If it's not clean, don't enter. Just stop. I know it's easy for me to say. Stop acting on your emotions. Trading when you're learning, it's like a roller coaster. The emotions are it's like a roller coaster. Seriously. And I'm not gonna sit here and say that I didn't do it. 110% I did. Like every trader does it. Yeah, for like my first 4 years, my emotions were everywhere. But then when you when you start forcing yourself to take in 1 to 2 trades per day, when you start forcing yourself to not act on emotions, there's little things you can do too. And I've already mentioned this to the community members, like, you know, lock yourself out. Not literally lock yourself out of like the house so you can't trade. I mean, lock yourself out your account if you're trading Top Step or any other futures prop firm. Go for a walk, close the laptop, go and cook a meal or something. There's different things you can do. And like I said, it's only Monday. Yeah, 100%. I mentioned this before. When there was a position up here. There was a position here actually that we could have took short, and that would have actually turned out to be a win too. Like that would have been like a 27 tick win. But like I mentioned, it wasn't super clean. It's only Monday. I know that statistically with my stats and my back testing and my forward testing journal that I take on average 10 trades per week. So I know that there's another 8 opportunities that's going to be this week. So if I know if I know on average I'm going to take another 8 trades this week and I've missed 25 ticks, why would I get 4 more? You know, there's another 8 trades to take. You know, sometimes more. Sometimes I take 15 per week. On average, it's like 8, 9, 10 trades a week for me. Thank you, bro. Yeah, you all know where it is, bro. Joe, when I decide to join the Discord, it's in your currency. An odd question, but will it convert from dollars? Yeah, 100%, Austin. Yeah, yeah, it will. To answer your question, Matt. Yeah, it will convert all for you. There's people in the Discord community. There's people from all different places, all different countries. So mostly the UK, but like I say, we've got people from the US, Australia, UK, obviously, and like Germany. Yeah, it all converts. It all converts, mate. But yeah, Austin, you like I say, welcome anytime to join. Great, seriously, I couldn't ask for a better Discord community group. It's absolutely perfect. Everybody's there to learn, and it's great. Everyone comes together, you know, London Open, and that's the thing as well. It doesn't matter where you are in the world. If you're Australia, anywhere in Europe, Asia, like. There's always somebody trading. Obviously, there's people in the UK. There's people who trade in Asia. There's, you know, you've got London session, US session, Asia session. There's always somebody in the community trading the same session as you. So you can always talk to them. You know, you've got all the content there and the education to watch too. And the group of people, seriously, it's great. Everyone's there to learn. Yeah, it's insane. Very, very active too now. There's like 37 members now. One sec, how many? I think 37. Yeah, 37 members. Yes, Saf, how's it going, bro? Yeah, welcome, Saf. How's your day been, Saf? How's your day been, mate? Congratulations as well. I refund, like I say, I refunded Saf today because he won the spin, the Christmas and New Year giveaway. He was one of the winners, so yeah, good work, bro. But yeah, it's been a great. Seriously, I love it. Everyone, we've been smashing it today. That's what it's all about. Smashed it. The cells on the way down, we waited for it too, which is good. Where are you from, Austin? By the way, where are you from, Austin? Them laws got taken. Look at that. Gold loves taking liquidity and reacting. And something you will learn in the community very well is how we trade liquidity. And seriously, anybody who doesn't understand liquidity and how it actually works with gold, when you do join the community and learn with the course videos, the liquidity concepts course videos, it will open you up so much to, exposing yourself to both sides of the market. Always being open to buys and sells on gold is super, super important. It's something I'm very, very big on. Even though gold, and I say this so much, even though gold is super bullish, for example, here, and today, don't get me wrong, today, gold was bullish. I said, I'm really only looking for buys into these highs, but if we do start closing below some levels, which at the time where gold was, it was like 70, 80 ticks till we actually closed through them levels. And in the market update video I did for gold, I said I'm really only looking for buys, but I am open to both sides. If we do start closing below, and I mentioned in the video, if we start closing below here at 2681 area, I'm looking for the sells down. And look what happened. Literally, the hourly candle that closed below, just from that level, bang, over 150 ticks, which is absolutely bang on. 150 ticks just from that level closure. So yeah, open to both sides. I was really interested in trying to long gold, but I did say if we get back below here, shorts down. Thanks, Joe. I'm from Pennsylvania, USA. Nice, Austin. Yeah, there's a couple from the US too. Couple from the US, but like I say, you've got the Asia, and you've got the US and the Asian session, and there's people in the community who trade both of them. I trade US too, like now, so you can trade the US with us. But as you go into Asia, from US to Asia changeover, there's many who trade Asia too. It's active it's active in every single session. I'm actually in Asia now, but I don't trade Asia because I trade the London and the US session with the community. Like I say, I am active in Asia too. I do put the odd message in. If I'm seeing anything that's interesting, I will put it in. But do I execute positions? No. But if I do see something like, my range, for example, I will stick it in the Asia session for the people trading it. No trade yet, Saf. Nice one, man. Good patience. Keep it up. Good work. I sometimes trade London at work too. Austin, good. Yeah, that's perfect. If you can trade London, and if you're at home for US, perfect. Perfect, mate. You'll be trading the same sessions as me in the community too. Well, once you do decide to join, that is. But yeah, London and US, I'd say London and US very, very active in the community, literally all day from, I'd say, 8 a.m. London all the way up till 5 p.m. And then I'd say there's about 38 members in the community. I'd say about 10 trade Asia, depending on like what time they're working, But like I said, we've got members who trade from Thailand, Vietnam, uh, Australia, US, Bali. So there's like all sessions, so you can speak with people, talk about ideas. All the content's there. So if you do like need anything, all the content's there at all times, 24/7 for you. How is PA all year round comparing to the end of the year? How is price action all year round comparing to the end of the year? To be honest with you, y'all, to be honest with you, mate, the price action didn't change much at the end of the year to how it is now. The price action on gold does stay the same. The only thing that we had near the end of the year was more ranges. The volume's lower. Look, we had these like ranges, push, range, push, range, push. We didn't have many. Coming into the end of the year, we didn't have many pushes like this or like this, because the news wasn't there. Look here. Look, coming into the end of the year. Let me push it to the right. Look, you had more ranges. You had some decent pushes, but look at this. You had some very tight ranges at some points. Look, bang, bang. But in general, the overall price action didn't change too much. To be honest, the range this morning in London session was a bit grim, but once we broke out, it's been Money Mondays. The weather? Where I am, Austin, do you mean? Is that what you mean, where I am, Austin, the weather? Yeah, Joe, I'll definitely be checking the Discord out soon. Yeah, sounds good, Austin. See you there, bro. If you've got any questions, feel free to drop me a message anywhere too if you have any questions regarding the Discord community. I'm from the UK. The weather in the UK is like -3 or something. Last time I talked to my mum, but I'm currently in Asia, and the weather where I am now in Vietnam is like 28 degrees, but it's not that humid. It's very, very manageable. Yeah, it's kind of good, kind of perfect, really. Not like humid, not humid like weather like the UK. Like when the UK is summer, it's very humid. Like Thailand is humid too, but here right now it's not humid at all. It's too cold in the UK right now, yeah. A few of my friends have messaged me saying the same. Like, snowing. Been having bad snow, right? Especially up north where I'm from. It's been bad snow. I don't know what, like, London's been like and stuff. But yeah, guys, let's drop a like. Let's get to 15 likes. If you've not dropped a like on the live already, let's smash it. We've got 14. Let's try and get one more. If you haven't already, drop it, get us to 15, and gold will set us up. Gold will set us up with something. Let me check the community really quickly. I'm just putting a little message in there. But it never settles down south. Yeah, yo. Also, if you've got any questions, feel free to drop a question. Feel free to drop a question in the comments. Like I say, I'll stay on for another 5-10 minutes, see what gold does. If it sets us up with something, I'll take it. I'm going to see how this 15 closes. If this 15 closes bearish, after taking these highs, I'm going to get shorts down. Yeah, I'll take shorts down if we close bearish back below. After taking these highs, bearish closure, I'll take shorts down. Yeah, I'm gonna try and take sells down into these laws. Do you trade the New York Open? Yes, I do. I trade from 7, 8 a.m. London time. I'd say all the way up to about 4, 5 p.m. New York. But that doesn't mean, or 4, 5 p.m. UK time. But that doesn't mean that there's no moves after these times. No, that's just my hours because of where I am. There's moves all the way up till closure. Like if you look at the market, even let me just show you an example. At like 5 p.m. onwards. Look, 4 p.m. onwards. Look at that. You've got like 70 tick move from 4 p.m. I stopped trading at 4 p.m. Doesn't mean there's no moves. Look at the moves. You still get like them 70 to 100 tick pushes. But yeah, like I say, with the strategy that I teach too, it doesn't really matter what time you're trading. Obviously, at some point in the day, the volume's going to be lower than it is at New York Open or London Open. Yeah, that's for sure. You're going to have lower volumes, but it doesn't mean you can't execute the plan, and it doesn't mean you can't take positions 50, 100 tick trades. No. Yeah, if this 15 doesn't close bearish, I won't stay on. Like I say, we've got the New York Opens in like 30 minutes, 25 minutes. But yeah, like I say, I just stay active with the community, Austin, too. And I probably, any community members here, if you want to jump on for a members Zoom in about an hour, let me know. Any members who want to do some live trading with me, any members who want to do some live trading, just put a thumbs up or a yes in the comments and we can jump on a members Zoom in about 1 hour and trade the US session together. Let's see if anything's setting up. But I only stay on YouTube Live for about an hour and 45 minutes per day, per session. Thanks, Joe. Have a good rest of your day. You too, Austin, mate. My day has not been too bad. One trade, like, little win, rest break even. Matthew, yeah, sounds good. Yeah, we'll jump on, bro. Yeah, if we get a couple, I'll jump on. Let's see how many are up for it. Chris, sounds good. Yeah, if we get a few, I'll jump on. Yeah, I'm gonna stay on for this. I'm gonna stay here until this 15 closes in about 8 minutes. Once the 15 closes, if it doesn't close bearish and continues to reject this level, I will just stop the live here. Oh, nice one for the likes too, guys. 15 likes. Appreciate you all. Seriously, everybody who tunes into the lives, you know, supports, comments, likes, subscribes. I appreciate you all. Yeah, it was. Yeah, like I say, if this 15 can close bearish, let's say this 15 closes like so, okay? 15 closes bearish like so, obviously it would be a red candle like this. You know, top wick would be something like so. Closes bearish like this. I'll take the next flip down into these lows, which would be like, you know, 35 ticks, which would be perfect. Okay? Absolutely perfect. But I just need this to close. We've got 6 minutes. If, you know, I would like to close back below this level too at 26.86. Just because we are rejecting it quite hard. Look, rejection, rejection, rejection. Even here, acting as resistance. So we'll see. Yeah, welcome guys, welcome. Anybody who has just joined stream, I'm waiting 6 minutes for this 15 to close, okay? Bearish 15 close, I'm going to take sells into these lows to the left here. Let me show you where. These lows here, okay? These lows have been liquidated. This is the new built liquidity that's been created. So if we get back below this level, you're going to see a sell-off down. Yeah, there's been a bit of volume. You know, we jumped on at like... We jumped on here, but literally since the actual... Since we actually jumped on for live... One second, let me change that back. Once we actually jumped on for live, it's been a bit sideways. But for today, I am still looking to try and take these lows down here. Which we've got like 70 ticks to target, which is decent. How's everyone's day been though? How's everyone's day been? Drop a comment. Let me see how your day's been, guys. Up, down, break even. How many trades? I'll put a poll out actually. I'll put a poll out. Win, loss, break even. Okay. There you go. I've just put the poll out. Vote. Let's see how everyone's day's been. I'm just gonna say I'm break even. I'm like $100 up or something. A little win. These laws, very, very clean liquidity laws to take though on gold. $15. Yeah, if that 15 can flip lower. Like I said, I'll give it another 3 minutes. See how it closes in 3 minutes, and then I will call it there. We'll see. Indy, when do you get paid from the funded trades? Do you mean after you've passed? Is it NAS? Is it NAS, Indy? NAS? I think it's NAS. You get paid literally in the first week if you want. If you get your 200 days in the first week, then yeah, you can get paid in the first week. I personally give it like 2 or 3 weeks and then get a payout. But on my funded accounts now, I'm actually building them first. Building them, get a buffer, and then withdrawing. I think it's the best route for me. But if I was trying to grow, oh, Rav. Yeah, it is. Yeah, Rav. If I was you, I would. If I was you and you were just starting off with funded, you can take a payout in the first week if you want, but take a payout in like the first month, and then use that to get bigger accounts like 150Ks, and then that's how you build funded. You can start with a 50K, take 2 or 3 payouts, use that for 100s, use that for 150K challenges, build them, take payouts with them. So yeah, Rav, sorry I got your name mixed up. So many different people to remember. But yeah, how's your day been, Rav, mate? In an ultimatum now, what's that, mate? What's that, bro? Let me know. Just got back from Amsterdam today, so getting back to it, nice. 8 votes, win, 62% win, 12% loss, and nice, break even, good. Good stuff, guys. Just got back from Amsterdam today, getting back to it, good stuff. Deciding what happened, what next steps to make. Yeah, like I say, Rav, you can either start with you can start with funding, 50K, 100K account, and you can build that with a couple of payouts, if that makes sense. But you can build funding slowly. You don't have to do it quickly with straight up 150K accounts. Like with Top Step, I was just trialing it for payouts and stuff. But when I was trialing it, I did 150K account and I had like 6-7 withdrawals. And Rav, it really depends on like how much funds you have to throw at it too. If you've got unlimited funds to just throw at getting maximum funding and passing 150Ks, yeah, by all means, that's what you can do. But, if you want to just build it slowly and that's all you can do, build it slowly. You can always just start a 50K and then build it to 100, 150K, try it with a 50K, then go on to 150. But yeah, it doesn't matter at all, Rav. It doesn't matter, mate. At least the internet connection's been good since I changed. But guys, I'm going to head off. Guess I'm pushed down, looking good. Yeah, I'm gonna head off. If we can, I'm gonna give you a bit of analysis for what I'm seeing now. If gold can close below here, this rejection level, kind of now 2667 area here, support. If you can actually get below this level, which you rejected from here to the left and to the left more, resistance support. If we close below here, I'm going to personally be looking for them sells down, but I'm going to have to wait another 12 minutes, okay? I can't really do for another I can't really do much for another 12 minutes, so that's what I'm going to do, guys. I'm going to head off. Anybody in the community, I will be hosting a Zoom live session in about 1 hour, so stay tuned for that. Also, community members, I'll stay active in the gold chat when I come off live, so stay active in the gold chat, share your ideas, ask questions, let me know. Push down, looking good. Yeah, anybody in YouTube who's not in the community, I'm not looking for longs at all just yet. There's some liquidity to take below market, and that liquidity is these lows here, okay? So I'm going to still be looking for sells down. If I want sells, if we can close below 26.68 here, this level that I've got, this sort of level of structure here, get a nice strong close below there, I will be looking for them sells down into that liquidity, and that is from them, that level, you know, you got 50 ticks still. So get that close below 26.68 and you can start looking for them sells down for me personally, okay? Fed up of my account size so small. Yes, try a 50k top step if you want, Rav. Try a 50k top step, get a few payouts, and then you can go for whatever account size you want, mate. That's what I would do if that was my situation. No matter, and it doesn't matter if you can afford to just take 150k accounts. Like, get used to it. Try a 50k, pass it, maybe get a payout, and then move on. You know, there's no rush to get max funded. You know, within a year, you can start on 50k's, and by the end of the year, you can be max funded with that consistency. So there's no rush to get to where you need to be. You know, literally, if you just stay consistent, trade to plan, stay consistent with your trading, stay consistent to the plan, you know, stay disciplined. You know, the consistent trader will always get, to where they need to be by the end of the day. You know, if you're not consistent, you're not trading to plan, you're revenge trading, you're going to be blowing accounts left, right, and center, no matter what account size you can afford. Okay? That was me too. The funded is a really good path. Trying to pass my second combine to scale up now. Good stuff, y'all. That's it, mate. That's the thing. I can do 150k accounts, no issue. Good stuff. Yeah, like I say, y'all. Not y'all, Rav. Like I say, mate, you understand what you can afford to do. You know what position you're in and what accounts you can take. If you can take plenty of 150k accounts and it doesn't affect you, by all means do that. If you can't, build up to it. Yeah, like maybe even 100k. Even maybe 100k, Rav. Even maybe 100k. Maybe start with 100k, try that, get a payout, go from there. How tough is it to pass a combine? 6% to pass, but you have got some trailing drawdown rules. Like I say, Rav, I'll send you the requirements straight after this live. Let me send them you now, mate. Let me send you them now. Right, I'll send them you straight after this live, alright? Average cost difference between them. I think it's like the 50k is £38. And then it's like £38 for every 50k. So 38 to then 76 to then 115 or something. I think it's like 115. Yeah, like maybe 115 for 150k. But I started with a 50k. Even though, don't get me wrong, even though I could afford to just take 150k's left, right, and center if I wanted to, I didn't do that. You know, I wanted to understand that Top Step was going to let me pass. I wanted to understand that they were going to let me take payouts, and they did. I know I got like 6 to 7 payouts within 2 months. You know, over 5k in like 5 to 6, 7k. What we're at 6 to 7k in like 6 payouts. So, and you know, even if you can't take the 150k accounts, you know, you've got 6k there profit to put into other accounts. Okay, bro, appreciate it. No worries, Rav, mate. See you in the community as well. I'm gonna head off anyway. What's that? With George Strategy, it's not really hard. I think the main issue is ourselves, 100%. Yeah, good stuff, Rav. Don't stay. Like I say, just build it if you want. That's what I would do if I was starting out again. You know, you can always start with a 50k account, get a couple of payouts, and you can always move on to the higher accounts. Yeah, and like seriously, I always say this: stay consistent, because if you stay consistent with a 50k account, get a couple of payouts, and then you stay once you've took that money away, you put that money into 100k, 150k accounts. If you stay consistent with them, you're going to get them bigger accounts over time anyway. So it's just staying consistent, trading to the plan, sticking to the rules, sticking to my strategy. Seriously, sticking to the strategy that I teach, and everything will, you know, with time, the money will come, and the bigger accounts will come. Yeah, definitely, Rav. Definitely, just start with a 50k, learn the platform, get the execution right, trailing stops, taking partials, and it will come with time, mate. Like I say, I'm gonna go, but Rav, I'll send you a document. I'll send you a document after this for the rules and etc. But YouTube fam, I'm going to head off. See you tomorrow. I am live for the London session tomorrow, so I'll see you there. But yeah, Discord community, I'll be in the gold chat instantly. In a bit, guys. Peace.